Hey guys, JD here, and I wanted to do a quick video today. This is an update on the Kawasaki Performance Automatic Tensioner Assembly. You guys know I talk about this a lot. This is what I call the Saltwater Series package from Kawasaki Performance, and it includes all stainless hardware, the stainless idler pulley, and then of course Kawasaki Performance's custom designed automatic bushing free tensioner assembly. Now this has got sealed bearings in here, stainless steel. It's incredible quality, and I just want to show you guys how this is held up after 100 hours of use. The truth about this part is that it is no gimmick. It is an incredible part that reduces your maintenance downtime exponentially. So I just want to show you, this has been in salt. You can see all this dust and grease on there. I mean, that's not just on there, that's grease, it's nasty. Look at how well this assembly still rotates on the pivot. I mean, I don't know if I'm showing it, but like literally, it's not binding at all. It's completely moving as if it was brand new and I just installed it. The idler pulley here is also made from 316 stainless. It's got a stainless bolt, a stainless washer, and then a made in Japan stainless bearing that is replaceable. I've replaced the bearing on this once so far. And then of course, to round it off, we have the Kawasaki Performance upgraded spring bushing kit. Now you can see the spring is all dirty. I mean, I literally haven't cleaned this or greased it or anything. I'm just showing it to you. So look at how free that bushing is in there. And in fact, I could probably even pop it out. There you go. Now it needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but the fact of the matter is that these components did exactly what they were supposed to do. Here's a look at your stock tensioner arm. Now I took this one off when my ski was fairly new, as you guys know if you watch my channel, when I installed this Kawasaki Performance one. This has been in a box in my garage, okay? And it's seized. It's completely seized just from sitting. I'm gonna try to, I'm using one hand to film here. It's just completely seized up. I can't even get it to move at all. So imagine if that's in your ski and it's got salt water hitting it, and it's so the stock bushing is really, you know, a poor design, I think. And then here's your stock spring. You can see it's got these rubber bushings in there. And those are, I just want to show you too, if I could try to demonstrate this. That one's a free. This one here is, I can't even push it out. It's stuck just from sitting. I mean, it's really in there. Whereas these Kawasaki Performance upgraded bushings, you can see how freely they move. And again, I have not lubed this. I have not unassembled it and cleaned it. I pulled it out of my ski and I'm showing it to you. It's filthy. It's kind of embarrassing. Needs to be all cleaned up. And this, of course, is my stock idler pulley. You can see that this is the one from the factory, and you can see that it rusted quite a bit. And this Kawasaki Performance stainless steel idler, besides the grease and grime that's on it, does not have one bit of rust. I mean, it still looks perfect. And I'll give you a look at the assembly itself. There's no flaking of the coating. I mean, this is a military grade coating that he's got on there. You can see all this grime, all this grease, all this belt residue. I mean, the thing is just nasty. It all needs to be cleaned, but the purpose of me showing you this is just to demonstrate that, I mean, that's loosey-goosey. This part has been run in my ski for over 100 hours of saltwater abuse, and this sealed bearing assembly has held up incredibly, and the tensioner arm absolutely functions as it's intended without any issue at all. So now I'm going to get it all cleaned up and get it back in the ski. But I just wanted to give you guys a look and an update on the Kawasaki Performance Automatic Tensioner Assembly and Spring Upgrade Kit. And the honest to God truth about these components is that they are not a gimmick. They really do work. They are durable, they last, and the best part is that they reduce your maintenance downtime. So if you haven't yet, head over to KawasakiPerformance.com and check out their automatic tensioner assembly. It's designed and made here in the United States. Well, thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions about the tensioner or my experience using it, feel free to leave a comment or reach out to Kawasaki Performance. Steve at Cali Performance is always happy to answer your technical questions about his products. And thanks for watching JD's Water World.
If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing for more exclusive jet ski content only on JD's Water World.